All right, in this set of examples, we are given a point on a graph and a slope. Okay, so we're not given a y-intercept, we're only given the slope and a point that we want the line to go through. Okay, so to be able to write it in slope-intercept form, I'm going to introduce you to another form which is called the point-slope form. It is on the previous page and it's also on the slide, but let me go ahead and put it on here. The point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our point. So this is going to end up being my point, x1, y1. Okay, the x and the y without the ones are just the x and the y that we need in our equations anyway. But these two numbers are going to come from the point, and then m is our slope. Okay, so it's just plugging the numbers in. So you're going to start with writing y minus, and then you're going to put the y coordinate of your point, which is 1. Okay, and then equals, write in your slope. My slope is 2 times x minus the x coordinate, which is 4. Okay, so we plug in the y coordinate here, the slope here, and then the x coordinate of the point we want the line to go through here. And that's it. That's all you have to do to write it in point slope form. And then from here, we're going to rewrite it in slope intercept form. So we're just going to do some simplifying here. So the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to distribute the 2. Okay, we're going to distribute the 2 to get rid of the parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and write down y minus 1 here equals 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then the last thing to write it in slope intercept form is, you have to have y by yourself. So I'm going to remove the minus 1. So I'm going to add 1 on both sides. We're going to put the numbers together. And then you have y equals, so that's gone, right? Equals 2x, just bring down the 2x. Negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. And that is my slope intercept form. So let me just kind of write everything here so I just have it. So the point slope form is y minus 1 equals 2 times x minus 4. And then the slope intercept form would look like this. Y equals 2x minus 7. So far these two are equivalent equations, just written in different forms. And then the standard form. And we've done the standard form, right, in the previous examples. We just need to move the 2x over. So to move the 2x over, we subtract 2x on both sides of the equal sign. So you have y minus 2x, so that's just, they're not like terms, so we just rewrite it, equals, and that gets rid of that, minus 7. And I cannot have a negative here, so I'm going to change all of the signs. So positive 2x minus y equals positive 7. So the standard form is 2x minus y equals 7. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if we got everything right by graphing everything in Desmos. So let's put the point slope form. Okay. Move it over a little bit. Okay. And then the slope intercept form. There you go. And then the standard form. Right, all three equations have the same graph, which means that they're all good. They're just written in different forms. Also, just to, another thing I can do here is to just make sure that the line actually goes through the point that I want it to go through right here, okay? 4, 1. So let me go ahead and put that point in here just to, you know, confirm. And it does. See, there's the point right there, and the line is going through that point, and it definitely has a slope of 2, because look, up 2 over 1, up, hold on, up 2 over 1, 2 over 1. The slope is 2 over 1. So everything works out. All right.